Hi friends, time for a new shake. I was just sitting there thinking that I wanted an apple and peanut butter, and then thinking that I wanted a protein shake, and why not just put it all together? So again, I'm making his and hers protein shakes, and today they're apple peanut butter. I am using vegan protein. You could use our whey protein or our vegan, but you definitely want to use our protein because 18 amino acids, it is one of the top proteins on the market on purpose. We started the company so we could have better products. So, got our protein in there. Gonna put a little bit of ice in there. And gonna get our apple in there. Putting a whole apple in each one. I actually had to order larger blender cups because I like to put a lot of stuff in our shakes. So I'm gonna have to blend a little and then put the rest of the apple in. How much peanut butter? How much do you want? Nice glob o peanut butter. All right. And then lick the spoon. I think it's a sin not to. I'm not sure, but I think. Non-dairy milk. As much as you need. And I will be right back after I blend these beauties. Yum. So we have 18 amino acids, all the nutrients from the apple, including the skin, nutrients from nut butter, so it's our brain health, and non-dairy milk, better calcium. Get you some.